Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the step-by-step process of activating and logging into your Cigna Healthy Today card for 2025. Whether you're a new user or you need a refresher, this tutorial will make the process easy and straightforward. Step 1. Visit the official website. Start by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the official Cigna Healthy Today card website at www.cignahealthytoday.com. Step 2. Click on the Activation button. Once you are on the home page, look for the Activate Your Card option. This is usually prominently displayed on the site. Click on this button to proceed with the activation process. Step 3. Enter your card information. Next, you will be prompted to enter your card information. This typically includes your card number, the information on the card, and possibly some personal identification details like your date of birth or social security number. Ensure that all information is entered accurately to avoid any issues. Step 4. Create your online account. After entering your card details, you may need to create an online account if you haven't done so already. Provide the required information, which usually includes creating a username and password. Make sure your password is strong to enhance your account security. Step 5. Review and agree to the terms. Before finalizing your activation, take a moment to review the terms and conditions associated with using the Cigna Healthy Today card. After reading, you will need to agree to these terms to continue. Step 6. Complete the activation. Once you've completed all the necessary fields and agreed to the terms, click on the Activate button. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your card has been activated successfully. Step 7. Log into your account. Now that your card is activated, it's time to log in. Return to the Cigna Healthy Today card website and click on the Login button. Enter your newly created username and password, then click on the Login option. Step 8. Explore your account dashboard. After logging in, you'll be taken to your account dashboard. Here, you can view your benefits, track your card usage, access wellness resources, and stay updated on any promotions or health initiatives offered by Cigna. Thank you for watching our step-by-step guide on activating and logging into your Cigna Healthy Today card for 2025. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content, and be sure to like this video if you found it useful.